Hello, my name is Jessica Lee and I'm from the Trent International Office. I'm here today to invite you to join us at one of our open house events happening on March 14th at the Durham GTA campus and March 20th at the Peterborough campus. At our Peterborough open house, we will be hosting an international student reception from 10:30 a.m. till 12:30 p.m. During the International Student Reception, you're able to speak with current students to gain a very personal perspective about the student experience here at Trent University. You're able to chat with the staff members, get a little snack or two, and at the same time, learn about the next steps for your transition to Trent University. And during the open house events at either one of the campuses, you're able to check out the residences, attend an academic and student services fair where you're able to chat with faculty and staff members and discover everything that Trent University has to offer. If you're coming for the International Student Reception, you're also able to win a Beats headphones, a pair of Beats headphones if you were to complete a card. So come and check us out. For more information, visit www.trentu.ca/openhouse. I look forward to seeing you there.